Welcome back for today's quiz. Today you'll be answering 10 questions on who invented what. Choose the correct answer from the options A, B, C. At the end of the quiz, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now let's begin. Who invented the first practical telephone? Nikola Tesla, Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell. The answer is C. In 1876, Bell beat Elisha Gray to the patent office by just hours. His first words on the phone, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." What groundbreaking medical imaging tool did Wilhelm Röntgen discover in 1895? A. Ultrasound, B. X-ray, C. MRI. The answer is B. Röntgen accidentally captured his wife's hand bones, creating the first X-ray image ever. She reportedly exclaimed, "I have seen my death." Who invented the World Wide Web in 1989? Bill Gates, Tim Berners-Lee, Steve Jobs. The answer is B. While working at CERN, Berners-Lee made the first website and browser. He gave it to the world for free. No patents, no profits. Who made the light bulb practical for everyday use in 1879? Benjamin Franklin, Thomas Edison, or Nikola Tesla? The answer is B. Over 1,000 failed attempts led to his success. Edison famously said, "I have not failed, I have just found 10,000 ways that won't work." What method did Louis Pasteur invent to make milk safe to drink? Refrigeration, fermentation, pasteurization. The answer is C. Pasteur discovered heating milk to kill microbes, prevent spoilage and disease. Still used globally today. You have finished the first half of the quiz. Now get ready for the second and final half. But before that, like this video, share and subscribe. Who created the world's first vaccine for smallpox? Edward Jenner, Robert Koch, Florence Nightingale. In 1796, Edward Jenner used cowpox to protect against deadly smallpox. His method saved more lives than any other medical practice at that time. What major scientific concept did Marie Curie pioneer? Radioactivity, thermodynamics, evolution. The answer is A. She was the first person to win 2 Nobel Prizes for physics and chemistry. She also coined the term radioactivity. Which invention did James Watt improve to power the Industrial Revolution? A. Steam engine, B. Telegraph, C. Electric motor. The answer is A. Watt's design didn't invent steam power, but made it efficient and widespread. The unit of power, watt, is named after him. Which tool did Galileo significantly improve in 1609 to explore space? A. Telescope, B. Compass, C. Microscope. The answer is A. Galileo didn't invent it, but his refinements let him discover Jupiter's moon, proving not everything revolves around the Earth. Who developed the first effective polio vaccine in the 1950s? A. Jonas Salk, B. Alexander Fleming, C. Albert Sabin. The answer is A. He declined to patent it, famously saying, "Could you patent the sun?" His vaccine nearly eradicated a disease that paralyzed thousands. Congratulations! Now comment your score in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We have other quiz videos you will like. See you in the next one.